All right, so as you can see from the screenshot, this was just too good not to show. This is why Pinnacle Credit Repair is legit. Fast results in 2024. But if you look at the screenshot, it's from 2019. So how does what you've done in 2019, or what does that have to do with 2024? This is literally 5 days away from being 5 years old. Um, but let's watch the clip, see what he has to say. This guy's so desperate to look legit. Um, and if I'm being honest, there's no doubt in my mind that at one point he knew how to do credit repair. Look at there, Capital One Bank, removed, removed, removed. And even if he was doing credit sweeps, at least he was getting results 5 years ago. I mean, I'm not saying it's right or that I agree with it. I definitely don't. Credit One Bank, deleted. Let's see. Remark codes don't mean anything. That just means it's in dispute. That's how Credit Karma works. I believe this is TransUnion. Yeah, no, that was Equifax. I apologize. Now we're gonna go to TransUnion, but yeah, like I said, it's he actually deleted this video. I think he realized that he posted results from 2019 and 2024, and he knows that I love exposing him because I do. But again, maybe 5 years ago he knew what he was doing, but he sucks now, and that's what really matters. So just wanted to point that out. Oh, I'm gonna pop another screenshot up here. Be careful because he changed his profile picture, his banner, and now it says Andre Nguyen instead of Pinnacle Credit Repair. Scammers like to change the name of their channels, especially when people like me are exposing them to try to trick people so they can scam new people. But y'all just be careful. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.